Some football news now. Cavalier women will be looking to emulate their male counterparts in local football after booking their place in the Jamaica Women's Premier League final against title holders Frazsiers following the second leg semi-finals played at the Constant Spring Playfield on Saturday.
Frazsiers are one game away from retaining their crown after clipping Los Perfectos 2-1 to progress 7-1 on the aggregate. Destiny Powell sent Frazsiers in front in the 27th minute to carry her tally for the season to 25, before Davia Richards extended her lead at the top of the goal-scoring charts to 43, firing home in the 77th minute. Los Perfectos' consolation was scored by Benicia Reed in the 94th minute.
I mean, it was a good game. You know, we focused on heavy rotation today. You know, seeing that we had 1 foot in the finals. You know, we made 5 changes today, and I believe that the girls came out and they did well.
We lost the game last week by 5-0, and to see the girls came out this day and continue to work. I mean, I have to be proud of them all season. I must say, because it's been 8 years out the competition, and to be back here and to the semi-final, I mean, hats off to them.
In the second semi-final, Cavalier were held to a 0-0 draw by last year's being the finalist Arnett Gardens, but progressed 4-0 on aggregate. Arnett's captain Anna K. Richards, who missed the first leg due to injury, returned, but it was not enough to spur a comeback against a resolute Cavalier defense.
I mean, I must give God thanks first. You know, it was a great season. When we started, the objective was to get into the final. I think today we can celebrate that we are into the final.
We came into this game behind, trailing, so we knew it was an uphill battle from the start. We came out and the objective was to score an early goal and just put Cavaliers on the back foot and continue pressing. But unfortunately, it didn't work out that way, but still proud of the effort that the girls put in, proud of the results, and we're just going back, looking forward to next season, put in some work and come again.
The final and the third place playoff will take place at Jamaica College at 7 p.m. and 4 p.m. respectively on Saturday. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sport.